What's up, nail nerds? Welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. Today I have this press-on set for you that I did using all of my go-to nail products. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like this video. Let's get started. So first up is my favorite white gel polish. We all know that white gel is very hard to work with, and this is Finger Paints Keeping It Realism, and I did check, they do still sell this brand at Sally Beauty, so go grab yourself one. It is a one-step polish, which means that it does not require a base, and it cures without a dispersion layer, which is another thing I absolutely love. And then I also love the Unity gel polishes by Bio Seaweed Gel. The purple one here is Merry Go Round. Now, I do like polishes that have a dispersion layer as well. They definitely have their place, but the ones without a dispersion layer let you do nail art on top without having to apply a matte top coat first, which it's just a step that you don't have to do. So anything that can save you time in the salon is a plus, right? Next, I have these Brie Reese alcohol ink markers that I found at Walmart. I think they're around 10 bucks a package, and they work just like the alcohol inks, except they're a marker. You come in and draw, and then you come in with your blending solution, which can be either isopropyl alcohol or acetone. I am using acetone here to blend these out. I find the acetone it works a lot easier, and I did come in right over top of these nail polishes. I did not buff, and I did not put down a matte top coat. Okay, this nail, I'm sorry, I did not record me doing it. I honestly didn't know how it was going to work out, so I'll do another video on how to do that technique, but it's just using the same brush with acetone, and you wipe away the ink to make the rose. So now we're using our Artiste gel by Bio Seaweed. It's basically just a blooming gel. And then I am once again using the Finger Paints Keeping It Realism to draw in a row. And to do this, I am using my favorite detail brush by Accents, which is the number 2 liner brush. And when you are using the Artiste gel, you do have to work a little bit fast because the rose does start to bloom out, and you do want to make sure you get that cured. Now, I did want to, add some more dimension to this rose, so then I came back in with my alcohol ink marker and the acetone, and I did the same technique, blending that out just to give a little bit more depth into this rose. Next up, we have my absolute favorite top coat, Accents Shine On. I can't describe this top coat to you. You just need to use it. It's almost like it just puts a glass layer over top of the nail. It is the shiniest top coat I have ever used. When you put it beside any other top coat, there is absolutely zero comparison. And for that reason, honestly, I don't even think I want to try any others, because when you find something that works and that you love, you stick to it. I'm not going to waste my money trying other brands when I know this one is amazing. So another Accents product, our Gel Play paint. This is the Line It White. The Line It Black is also another favorite for detail work. They are just so pigmented and thick and easy to work with. The new ones also cure without a dispersion layer, therefore you can do them right over top of your top coat to have a textured look, which is what I'm doing right here. I've actually top coated, and then now I'm coming in with the Line It White. And then once that is cured, this nail is complete. I hate doing roses. I find they look so horrible until you're done. It's it's something you really just have to stick with and keep going because, yeah. I always start with a figure 8 and then I just layer on the petals. If you have a better technique, please let me know. I feel like I'm horrible at roses. I really do. And to paint these, I am using my favorite striping brush, which is a kit I ordered online. I'm sorry, I can't remember where it's from, but you can get them anywhere. It's honestly just a really cheap striping brush. See, now once it's done, the roses look good, but I swear at the beginning I was like, oh my God, this just looks ridiculous. So now I'm doing another blooming rose, and I am using the BioSeaweeds Unity Gel Merry-Go-Round. This one I just thought looked so gorgeous. I love it. And that is this set of nails done with my go-to gel products. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.